So today I'm going to repot my Fittonias or nerve plants. This is my newest nerve plant or Fittonia that I got from my recent plant shopping trip. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it down below in the description box and also add a card on the top right of this video. So when you bring home a new plant, it's really not recommended to repot it right away, since you want your plant to acclimate in your house or get used to the environment in your house. But if you see that your plant is already root bound and the roots are coming out of the pot, then you can repot the plant after a few days of acclimating in your house. So as you can see here, these are the roots. So I want to repot this one and add it to my other Fittonia, my red Fittonia. So I'm going to use this pink pot. I love pink. Tell me, do you love pink too? Do you love pink plants? So if you do, tell me in the comments below. I'd like to know, and if you also love Fittonias. So now, let me just put some soil in this pink pot. Just check if the height is okay. Going to need more soil. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to put the pink one at the center because it's taller, and then the red ones here at the side. First thing I want to do is just gently loosen the roots to make sure that it grows in the new soil and not just go around in circles. I think that's fine. Now, let's see this other Fittonia. Also, I'm going to gently loosen the soil, loosen the roots. So when I'm potting plants up, I usually pot plants that have the same care needs together. So these are both Fittonias or nerve plants, so they have the same care needs. They like the soil to be moist, so it's okay to put them together in one pot. Okay, so she's gonna look like this. And I'm just going to add more soil. Also want to make use of the old soil because it's still good. It's a good way to save money if you keep on buying new soil, fresh soil. Again, I like tapping the pot to prevent any air pockets or to get rid of any air pockets.